see the sparkles because it's kind of light here. So can you see the sparkles? But let me show you how I'm gonna put inside this thing. It's gonna be very hot. I'll just put this thing over here. Okay. What should I put? Okay, hold on. Put this in. You will crack open. Put it here like that. Yeah, like that. But you gotta see the slime in there. Okay, let me just okay. So this is I put all the slime, but sometimes I like to break it because you need some space and some slime to put in another box and another one and another one and a lot of slime. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, this isn't too much. Okay, as you can see, it's done. Cover it up. There's this one turn. Of course, I put one by one is because the one with slime, right? And if you see the sparkles here, that means you have a good eye. Because you are good smart. Okay, now. It's because I just added a little bit of glitter, so you can't really see it's green color. So yeah, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and comment below if you like this slime.